How to fix Telegram login problem. So hello guys, what you wanna do is very simple. Go into the settings in your phone and then go to the apps manager. Go to Telegram. First stop the app right here. Click on permissions, make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again, click on the storage, click on clear cache and manage space. Now as you can see, the storage must be cleared. Now all what you want to do is go back into the settings in your phone, click on wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it after 3 seconds. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.